Okay, dear students, good morning. Myself, Dr. Pankaj Tripathi. I have already introduced the introduction of electromagnetic theory. Now, let us start the first lecture. Scalar and vector field. Scalar and vector field is simply in vector algebra. Vector algebra, vector calculus, vector algebra. Vector algebra में that is initial कि what is physical quantity. First of all, what is physical quantity? So, physical quantity means any quantity that can be measured or determined its magnitude and unit. Suppose that mass is also a physical quantity, length is physical quantity, electric current is also a physical quantity, temperature, right, etc. So these are the physical quantity which can be easily measured, that is numerical value as well as dimension, unit. Okay. So that is physical quantity, basically two types. One is the scalar quantity and another is vector quantity. Scalar quantity and vector quantity. Okay, you already known the scalar quantity, that is very simple. Scalar quantity, that quantity which has only magnitude without direction, only magnitude without direction. And vector quantity that has magnitude and also direction, that means magnitude with direction. Magnitude with direction. Another quantity is tensor quantity, right? And tensor quantity is simply in vector as well as scalar. In vector as well as scalar. Suppose that stress and strain is a tensor quantity. So tensor quantity has a tensor quantity whose components is also related to the direction of the plane. That means ki tensor quantity which kept as a track of a magnitude, direction and which plane the component act on. But here in this lecture we will not discuss about the tensor quantity. That is very simple lecture. One thing, do you know tensor? First thing, if tensor has no magnitude, it means if tensor has only magnitude and no direction, that means the rank of tensor is 0. That means the rank of tensor is 0. Okay, that quantity is known as scalar quantity. Scalar quantity. Or if tensor has magnitude and one direction, if tensor quantity has magnitude and one direction, that means the rank 1, vector quantity. Or if tensor has magnitude 2, that is known as matrix. So keep in the mind these simple things. If rank 0, that is scalar quantity, rank 1 vector quantity, rank 2 of tensor, that is matrix. अभी नो स्केलर क्वांटिटी एंड वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. तो स्केलर क्वांटिटी इज एनफ to represent only magnitude and unit without direction. That means numerical value and unit. No need of the direction of scalar quantity. Suppose that mass scalar here vector. So that quantity which is represented only numerical value and unit, that is no need of the direction. Or vector quantity which represents the numerical value, unit as well as direction. Suppose here mass is, unit of mass is kilogram, so mass is scalar quantity. Length, distance, speed, current, temperature, right, etc. That is length unit meter per second, ampere, temperature is degree Celsius or Kelvin. Okay, that is energy is also scalar quantity. And vector quantity is displacement, speed, velocity, not speed, velocity, force, weight. So these quantity, that is numerical value as well as unit and direction. Meter per second, Newton and Newton. Now suppose one simple example to calculate the value of distance, speed. Suppose simple example to calculate the value of distance, distance, displacement, speed and velocity. Okay, here draw one diagram. Here point A, B, C and D. Now suppose that if one object travel, it takes time t1 second, the distance covered to x1 meter to reach at the point B, and again then B to C, the distance x2 meter and time t2 second, and again C to D, the object, any object is travel from point C to D, the same distance here x1 and time t1 second. So to calculate the distance from the point A to D, so simply distance, the distance here, distance equal to AB, distance AB plus BC plus CD, distance AB, BC plus CD. So here x1, x2, x1, so 2x1 plus x2 meter. Okay, again simple displacement. So displacement is vector quantity. So now look at here. So distance is depend upon the path of the object which is travel, but displacement is only to the initial and final point. So here initial distance is AD. So displacement equal to AD, here only x2 meter. Here speed is the scalar quantity, the speed equal to distance upon total time. So total time t1 plus t2 plus t1. So t1 plus t2 plus t1. So that means 2t1 plus t2. Okay, meter per second. Meter. This speed, velocity. Velocity is vector quantity. So now to calculate the velocity equal to displacement x2 upon total time from A to D. You cannot consider ki only time T2. That is, total time is 2T1 plus T2 meter per second. That is velocity. That is simple example to calculate the vector and scalar quantity. Okay, now simply vector algebra. So here vector quantity is represented to the arrow, and this arrow, the length of this arrow which is represented to the magnitude, and arrow which is represented to the direction in 3 dimension, 1 dimension or 2 dimension or 3 dimension. So vector quantity which is represented to the A, and arrow which is represented to the direction of vector A, and magnitude of length, right? Length, how much length which is represented to the magnitude. Right, so simply some basic things of algebraic operation in vector formula. So suppose addition. So additions means can add 2 vectors. So simply suppose A vector, here A vector, and then B vector, here resultant vector is C. So C vector is equal to A vector plus B vector. The direction of C vector is this point to this point, right? Suppose here O, P, Q. So direction of C vector is OQ, right? And subtraction is very simple. Subtraction means ki suppose the opposite vector minus A. So that here ki B vector or A is positive. Suppose A is positive and B vector is positive, and then subtraction of A vector minus B vector. So simply you can draw the minus B vector. The arrow is opposite direction. So subtraction of vector is equal to A plus minus B, and minus sign which is indicate that the direction is opposite and magnitude is similar. So simply addition, subtraction. Another is the, you have already read in 11th and 12th classes. अब simply multiplications of vector quantity. Multiplications of vector quantity. Okay, vector quantity. So simple thing is, suppose one is the scalar quantity is multiplied by the vector quantity. Suppose here lambda is the scalar quantity and A is the vector quantity. So lambda is multiplied by A. The resultant vector here be equal to lambda A, right? Lambda is the scalar and A is the vector. So simply the magnitude of B vector, so magnitude of B vector equal to lambda or mod A. It means multiplication by a scalar quantity, right? That thing simply suppose अब lambda is depend upon कि lambda is positive 1, 2, 3 or lambda is negative -1, -2 and -3. So if negative value is multiplied, the direction is change and magnitude is similar in multiplication of the scalar quantity. Okay, so now we will discuss the next lecture in the multiplication of vector quantity, that is dot product, cross product, triple product, double cross product. So thank you. If you have any questions, any query, you can put the questions in comment box, and I will try to give the answer as soon as earlier. Thank you.